Firstly, throat clearing. Throat clearing involves tight closure of the vocal cords, which are then forced apart by strong air pressure. And essentially, the vocal cords are bashing together is how we describe it. Those vocal cords are being brought together tightly, and then strong air pressure is forcing them apart repeatedly. And what this does, generally speaking, is it can irritate them because your vocal cords are, whilst they're very resilient, the membranes themselves are relatively delicate, they're small, and that forced bashing together of the vocal cords can lead to a bit of irritation. Just clearing your throat every now and then is not going to do that, but repeated throat clearing, people who become in the habit of throat clearing and are bashing their vocal cords together very often are going to cause irritation to their vocal cords. And as well as that, it also leads to tension in the surrounding muscles. When you clear your throat quite aggressively, the muscles are tensing and squeezing, and that repeated pattern again leads to tension in those muscles. And what this will do is increase the levels of hypersensitivity. So the more you clear your throat, the more irritated and sensitive your throat becomes, and that then makes it worse. Your brain feels that and it thinks, I need to clear my throat again. You clear your throat again, it becomes more irritated. And that's what we mean when we talk about a vicious cycle. Don't get me wrong, throat clearing is helpful and useful and necessary when there is something to clear from the airway. If there is mucus in your larynx that's interfering with the way the vocal cords are closing and vibrating, you need to clear that. However, the vast majority of throat clearing that we see, I'm thinking from a sort of ENT clinic point of view and working with patients who come to us with these kind of symptoms and coming across people who are sort of just habitually clearing their throat and not really aware of it. In the vast majority of cases, the throat clearing is disproportionate, significantly disproportionate to the actual need to clear your throat. And throat clearing can very easily become this bad habit, as I've described.
We hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and share. It helps us get a much wider reach.